Hello everyone, just gonna make a quick video of a fan that I got off eBay. Kind of been sitting there for a little while, and I kind of wanted it, and I just got paid not too long ago, so I got it. It's a 14-inch Windsor box fan, 3-speed. Got the grill popped so I could show the inside, and polished up the blades really well. Use Brasso. And there's the model number sticker. It's model number C-14, Lakewood Engineering Manufacturing Company, Chicago, Illinois. And it's on a stand. And I really like how on these in my country air, how the grills just hang on here. And then it's got the springs that you just pop in. All fans should have been like that. Close up of the emblem. It's a 3-speed. Got the knob cleaned up. Cleaned it up best I could for now. Just got it in the mail today. It came faster than I thought. Put cardboard in there to help it. This side didn't have the felt in it. It scratched the housing. This side did have the felt, but I put cardboard in there. It's got the GE 3-speed motor. See if we can't get a startup sound for you guys. It's got good suction. Low. I like how the stand lets you pivot it. Good to dry the floor if you need. Okay, spin down time. It's actually got a good spin down time. I didn't have to touch the motor when I got it, so I didn't oil it or anything. I just blew out the holes really well, so that it's clean. Good spin down time. Quick overview of the fan here. It's in pretty good shape, just was dirty. It's got its scuffs here and there, but doesn't affect the operation. And there you have it. I'm guessing it's a late 60s Windsor 14-inch 3-speed box fan.